Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can enroll in mortgage pay plan of Bank of America. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, all you gotta do is simply open up your Bank of America app on your phone and now simply add new user ID, your password, and tap on login. Once you have logged in, once you're logged in, your home section gonna look like this. Now go ahead and go to this My Mortgage account and tap on this view icon beside it. Now then you're gonna find your mortgage amount and mortgage accounts detailed on top and statement, etc. Simply go ahead and access this option of manage pay plan and tap on it. Then afterwards you're gonna be in this kind of interface. Now go to this section of pay from and choose your account, and then afterwards go to this payment date section and you can choose your due date as well. And then afterwards simply tap on this option of I have read and understand the information, the agreement. Now tap on this continue afterwards in the bottom right. Then again you're gonna find your pay plan info. Go ahead, review it accordingly. Again tap on this option of continue in the bottom right. Once you have done that, you will be able to successfully enroll to mortgage pay plan of Bank of America, and that is it. So that's how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.